Hello aspirants, welcome back to our channel for Tech Online. Hope you all are doing good. Stream it increases from 1 into 10 to the power 4 cells per ml to 1 into 10 to the power 6 cells per ml in 120 minutes. The generation time for this stream is how much we have to calculate. So we know the formula that Nt is equal to N0 into 2 to the power n, or using log we can say that n is equal to log nt minus log n0 by log 2. We know the value of log 2, that is 0.301. So we'll put that value. So n is equal to log nt, it is given that 10 to the power 6, 1 into 10 to the power 6 log minus log 1 into 10 to the power 4 by log 2 is 0.301. We'll just calculate it. So 6 log 10 minus 4 log 10 by 0.301, or 6 minus 4, that is 2. Log 10 is 1. So 2 by 0.301, which is equals to 6.6. Now this is the value of n we got. Now generation time, it is equals to time by n. So time it has been given, that is 120 minutes, and we have to find the answer in minutes. So no need to convert it, that is 120 by n, that is 6.641. So G is equal to 18.06. So our answer will be 18. The sample was taken at 10 am, which contained 1 into 10 to the power 10 CFU per ml, and the count it reached to 1 into 10 to the power 10 CFU per ml at 10 pm. So the growth rate of the microorganism would be how much? Okay, so at 10 am, count is 1 into 10 to the power 5 colony forming unit per ml. At 8 pm on the same day, the count is 1 into 10 to the power 10 colony forming unit per ml. So total time taken, we can calculate it. 10 am to 8 pm, that is 10 hours. We have to calculate the growth rate over here. That is K. So we know the formula that K is equal to log base 10 of, if we'll say this as NT, that is final, and this as N naught initial, that is NT minus log base 10 of N naught divided by 0.301 into the time taken, that is 10. So we just put the values 10, 10 minus 5 by 0.301 into 10 to 10, that is 1.6 hour. So the growth rate of the microorganism will be 1.66 hour. Which among the given options correctly explain the nature of the microbial culture presented by lines 1, 2 and 3 in the following figures? So X is my heating times in minute and Y is survival log number. Okay, so line 1, which is straight and steep slope. So this basically represents a homogeneous population of microbes where all cells they have a similar heat resistance, death is exponential and linear on the log scale. Line 2, we can see it's a bit curved. So this indicates a mixed population which is containing both a heat sensitive as well as a heat resistant microbes. So at first, these heat sensitive cells they will die quickly, and then the resistant ones they will survive. Means the resistant one will survive for the longer period of time. And line 3, this is basically a flattered, or we can say more survival line, which represents spores. Like spores are highly heat resistant and they show slower inactivation compared to the vegetative cells. So sometimes germination they make them more resistant. So over here my correct option will be option number 1, that is first line is my homogeneous population, second is the mixed population of heat sensitive as well as heat resistant microbes, and third one is for the germination of spores. So my correct option is option number B. Symptoms in group 1 with the causative microorganisms in the group 2. So green rods of egg. So green rods of egg is due to the Pseudomonas fluorescens. So 1 it will go with option number 3. Now basically this bacteria it will cause a green discoloration in the egg which is basically due to the pigments production. Now putrid swell in the canned fish. And now this is basically due to the Clostridium sporogenes. Now we know that this Clostridium sporogenes, it is an anaerobic spore forming bacteria. So it will lead to the bad odor or the gas formations in the canned fishes. So Q it will go with option number 4. Now red bread. Now whenever you see this red, that means it is because of Serratia marcinensis. So basically it is known for producing a red pigment which grows on the moist breads. And yellow discoloration of the meat, it is because of Micrococcus species. Means these bacteria it will produce yellow pigments on the meat surface which will cause the discoloration. So over here my correct option will be option number uh, 3, that is P3, Q4, R2 and S1. So green eggs it is because of Pseudomonas, swollen or fish cans because of Clostridium, red breads because of Serratia and yellow meat because of Micrococcus. Option number C is my correct option. Hope you find this video beneficial. So till then, thank you and enjoy learning.